Right now I'm with Flo. I just met her. We're in the parking lot.
We're in the parking lot.
And I see this car driving by. Man, it looks like Flo, and it was. So,
hello, everyone.
So what's going on?
I mean, I'm here. I'm actually doing personal chefs and assisting people with their vegan journey. So I'm here to help one of my dear friends make a vegan burger and some vegan cheese and all types of things. So that's what I'm out here doing. And I ran into my mentor, Arnold.
Anyway, I'm making burgers too this week.
Phenomenal.
$5 burgers.
Wow.
Do you know why?
Why?
I'm showing my documentary. You know what it's about?
Dealing with the
Breast cancer. I had 30 women who stayed with me for 30 days.
wow.
I fed them for free with no money involved.
See that?
And
That's
I told
love.
them breast cancer is the best thing for them.
Wow.
You know why?
Encapsulation.
Not. Oh my gosh, you remember?
Of course I remember. You're my mentor.
Breast cancer is the best thing for a woman.
See that?
People don't understand. Oh, look at this, another young guy coming out. I forget his name though. Oh man. Oh, that's him. Oh, it's him. Breast cancer is the best thing for a woman. That means the body understands truth, the body understands lie. Like most food, as soon as you cook a food above 115 degrees, it's dead.
It's dead.
Has no vitamins, no minerals, no enzymes. It's essentially called acid waste. And my body can handle some, but
not a lot.
It can handle some. But especially when you eat the meat factor with uric acid, that's urine from another animal. So all those people eating meat, chickens, please close your ears.
Cows don't say moo.
Anyway, that's uric acid. The body hates uric acid.
Yes.
And after a while, the body has to put it in a little like sack so it
Encapsulated.
doesn't get into the bloodstream. Because our blood level has to be 7.4 at all times. If it goes to 7.35, you die. So all 75 trillion cells understand that. You're going to die if it gets if that uric acid or the acid waste gets in your bloodstream. So the body encapsulates it.
Yes.
And generally it's the breast area to your advantage. There will never, ever be a cure for cancer. Impossible. Because you can't treat a disease with poison. Most people think you can. They think you treat it, they think you give it chemotherapy. It's a poison.
Poison.
You cannot poison yourself in health. Remember, the only best way, and we'll show you how, you'll show you how the raw vegan burgers, the cheese, how to stay healthy, how to stay rock and roll, how to live the dream.
Live
the burgers,
the dream.
the burgers.
Burgers. Eat life.
Eat life.
Eat life in order to live life.
Rock and
you
roll.
got to eat life.
Bam, bam.
Come
Stay
on.
tuned. This Sunday, it's $5 burgers, $2 pizzas, $2 hot wings, $2 green smoothies. And Saturday, we have all you can eat.
See that? That's
Guess who's our special guest star?
Who's the best special
Get
guest?
Rich Rogers. You know Rich Rogers?
Listen, this man is just a ball of love. Always giving. He wants everybody to win, and that is
That is
phenomenal.
it. Rich Rogers. You know Rich Rogers?
Come on now, you can't beat no Rich Rogers.
Rich Rogers is speaking this Saturday at our all you can eat potluck. He has some big things coming up. We'll talk about that later. This is Flo. She has some big things coming up. Our goal is to spread the vegan message.
Yes.
One person at a time. We had a game changer. You see the game changer?
No, I didn't get to see that movie.
Man, we had
Phenomenal.
a phenomenal. It is
Wow.
like beyond amazing. Anyway, this is live at Wegmans. I have to get my banana. She has to get her. We gotta
My
keep
nuts
on
and
moving.
seeds and
I
everything
see
else.
she got more people. Come more. There you go. Come more people. Whoa, say hi.
What's happening?
I worked
This
with
crazy
King years
guy
ago.
right
Boom, boom,
here,
boom.
yes indeed.
Hey, you want me to little film? Is that okay?
It's alright.
It's all right. Okay. It's like I said. It's all cool. Boom, boom, boom. Rock and roll. Let me see what we said live from Wegmans. Bye.